All right, YouTube, this is a video review over this Bonaire. Can't read that because I'm dyslexic. Bonaire leather furniture repair expert. This is my leather jacket. This is my prized leather jacket. Even when it was a little bit too tight to wear because of my weight gain, I love this leather jacket. I saved my money up for it. And I bought it with online coupons and sales, and I was able to get it. It's originally like a $500 jacket. I probably spent around $280 for it, I think, from Macy's. And it's actually a William Rest, a Justin Timberlake and line of clothes. I think he owns the company. But something happened to this leather jacket. I had to use the little computer device to see why my check engine light was on. Never used it before in my life. And I was told that I'd hook it up under the, the steering wheel. So I looked under the steering wheel, like directly under it. Couldn't find it. So in the course of bending over, crawling around on the floor of my Jeep, I finally went on YouTube and Googled it, or YouTubed it, and then I ripped my jacket. This is one of the most disappointing things that's happened to me this year, or outside of COVID, and the stuff that deals with COVID. This is it was related to COVID, but kind of indirectly. But anyways, I got a big V rip in my leather jacket that I prize so much, and I said a cuss word out loud in front of God and everybody. It wasn't a very bad one, but I don't normally curse in anger. But I was very disappointed, and I took this to a tailor. I took this to a dry cleaning store, and I took this to a cobbler. Cobblers being people who work on leather shoes or shoes in general. And none of them could help me. The cobbler said to go look for an iron-on patch. So I went on Amazon and looked for iron-on patch. And I thought this was going to be an iron-on patch. That's why I got it. But it is not. It is a self-adhesive leather sticker, basically. And as you can see, it's starting to lose its adhesiveness right here. And of course, it's not going to do it when I want to demonstrate it, but see, it's kind of losing some of its adhesiveness. But I am very pleased with the purchase. This cost me about $15, $17. I can't remember exactly. From a distance, you really can't tell that I got a black leather patch on it or an adhesive sticker on it. And I just cut this out with scissors. Didn't take too much effort into doing it. You can see that has a different texture than this leather, but it's real leather. And this is my quick fix. When I went to the motorcycle rally, I thought, hey, it'd be appropriate to have a leather jacket, and I really needed this patch or this to come in before the motorcycle rally. There was a piece of it, or that's how it comes before you cut it up. So I was able to do this quick repair just in time for the motorcycle rally, and I'm pretty pleased with it. It's not a permanent solution, but it is a quick solution, and I'm pleased. I wanted to share that with you in case you needed a quick leather fix. This stuff will do a quick job. It could really use some stitching to make this permanent, but so far no one can really help me. They just said iron-on patch, and I really don't want a biker patch or any kind of, I really don't want any kind of logo patch like this on my leather jacket. I want my leather jacket to look clean, and with no affiliation with anybody. I'm not, if that makes sense. I don't mind having morale patches on my packs and stuff and like that. But on my jacket, I just want it to look clean. I want it to look a little bit more professional, even though this is a Moto Racer jacket. But that's it. That's the video. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm a Satsu 5, and I'm out.